Oh, Slinky Kitty. Slinky Kitty. Slinky Kitty coming down the stairs.
This never happens! Oh my gosh!
Come on, get up. Yes. Get up.
She thinks she's people.
Here, I tell you what you do. Oh my God, it's coming up the letters. Jesus.
Nope, no lip kisses. I have to have both hands on. Are you gonna cry? You want another hug? I'm sorry, I don't do lip kisses.